Fantastic, Mayor. A little cool out there this morning, and as we head to the afternoon, it's going to be, as we call it, pleasantly cool. But most of us will have a good bit of sunshine. A live look outside right now from one of our cameras atop AT&T Tower. It is a pleasant midday, and as far as the afternoon goes, we will see conditions continuing to warm a bit. 52 right now in Nashville. Here's a look at Power of 5 radars. We've got 52 again for Music City, USA, 47 in Dixon, 43 Crossville, Lafayette at 49, and Bowling Green at 50. No rainfall to talk about here at home, but a different story in a part of the country they really don't need it, getting throughout parts of Nebraska, Kansas, and right there into western Missouri, where they have been dealing with some pretty devastating floods throughout that part of the region. Now, that quick-moving system, it's going to try and sweep through tomorrow night, but it's not going to have a lot of moisture to work with as high pressure kicks out of the way. So what that means for us is today pleasant and cool with that northerly wind flow. Tomorrow, more clouds, and as far as any rain potential goes, that is going to be incredibly minimal. 53 by midday. Look for a partly to mostly cloudy sky this afternoon. 56 at 5 after a high of 58 degrees, and down to 43 as we head towards 10 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow, more clouds, 35 to start, and then watching for rain chances gradually increasing late in the day and into tomorrow night. Nothing severe with this, but we want to remind you now's the time to prepare for severe weather. Tomorrow from 3 till 7, I'll be at the Shelbyville Kroger at 1010 North Main Street with Storm 5 Titan. You can pick up a weather radio there, purchase one at Kroger, and we will program it for you before you leave. So always a good time to make sure you're weather ready.